Whenever you would like, can you talk me through what you've built?
Yeah, sure. So, I guess the idea behind our project is just we're like kind of into fighting games, I guess.
Uh-huh.
So we just wanted to make one on like a Pico, and so we were inspired by this like open source game called like Footsies, which is like a very simple fighting game. It's like just like very simple pixel art, and so we kind of like took what they had and then drew like a sprite sheet on top of it, and then created like our own, I guess, sort of mechanics and sort of fighting games. So
Okay.
I say I could just walk you through like how the game is played.
Sure.
Yeah, this is our like title screen. We called it Pico Fight because I don't think we could think of something better. But
Can I ask quick before you push the button? Is this original art?
yeah, this is better.
Oh my gosh. This is spectacular. That is really awesome. Okay.
So to start, I guess like this is like our ready screen, and also like you can change the clothing of the characters here. So like
yeah.
we have like 2 sets of clothes and then 2 heads.
Okay.
And either player can change, and then you can kind of see like in the middle of the screen it'll display the button that you're pressing. This is for a couple of reasons. One of the reasons was just it was nice for us to like be able to debug like which button's being pressed, and it's also like to start the game you need both players to be pressing the same button. So when like 2 players press the same button, the game will start, and yeah, it'll say like fight.
Cool.
And then yeah, this is the game, I guess. Do you want to play a little? Yeah, I guess you can just play a little and I'm gonna talk through the
So you're
mechanics.
playing through the keypad,
Yeah.
and there seems to be a sound effect associated with some of these motions.
Yeah, we have like 4 sound effects. It's like we have like this sound effect which is like being hit, and then we have like, or do you want to like crouch?
Yeah.
And then we have like the shield sound effect.
Cool.
Which is like a block. And then we have like a whooshing sound effect if you want to do that. It's like if you miss, it plays like a little whoosh sound.
And then the background music, of
Yeah,
course.
and then the background music. Yeah, I don't know. Do you want to talk a little bit about like the background music? And
Yeah, for the background music, we also made up like some notes, and the concept of the BG of this BGM is we ended up using this one. So the concept is that if we say do re mi fa sol la si is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then this melody is just 4760 4477660.
Okay.
The course number, and also 2, which is the group number. And yeah.
So you encoded the notes as letters, and then this encodes like a fun message. The
Yeah.
background. Oh, that's really delightful. that's really cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
and then
I was just gonna remark too. Is this original artwork as well?
Yeah.
yes.
All the drawing is done by the original.
But the first sprites for the poses, we're kind of drawing over the spreadsheet of the Footsies, so
Okay.
we're kind of using their poses. And he also did some of the sprites. But yeah.
It's really a beautiful game.
Oh,
Thank
thanks.
you.
And then yeah, we can finish out this round and we'll
Okay.
show you like the end screen. and
Sure.
stuff.
Okay.
Are you gonna show the pause screen first?
Oh yeah. Also, there's like a pause screen, just
Nice.
like classic, I guess.
And
then-
both players need to agree to unpause.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like those players press crouch.
That's a
and
cool
then
idea.
Fight again. Oh yeah. One of the game mechanics that we wanted to kind of make the game interesting is like this shield bar. So I guess I'll jump over. So like each player has like, you start with like 3 shields, and you can kind of like either steal a shield, which is, so if I attack with this player, you can kind of see the bar going down and the bar going up. And so once you run out of shield, you can start like being hit when you're blocking, and you can like steal shields back. So you can steal like 2 shields here.
Cool.
Yeah.
Also, there's the jump block where you where the person.
Oh
cannot
yeah,
go
and
back.
then also, so normally how you block is just you hold backwards, and then if you get hit, it'll automatically block.
Mm-hmm.
But there's also like, if there's a mechanic where if you jump on someone's head,
Mm-hmm.
they take damage, and so to block that, if you jump at the same time, it's kind of hard to get.
Uh-huh.
But
Wait, it's not possible.
yeah, well, yeah, it's kind of hard to time it. But
With proper timing,
yeah.
you'd get the block there.
They should
Yeah.
cancel.
Yeah, neat.
Oh,
Yeah, we-
he used up the shield, so he didn't.
Oh,
block.
right, right,
Maybe
yeah,
it
so
made
if I-
the other.
Yeah, there we go.
Cool. Okay.
Like jetpack.
Yeah, and then we can show you the win screen now. I
Okay.
guess. So if this player wins P1, there's like custom art for either player winning. So if I finish up the game, it's like
Wow.
he won.
Like
So
pose.
yeah, he's winning.
These are all portraits of you all.
Yeah,
That's
That's
incredible.
And then yeah, I can show you the other win screen. So I just do this.
Yeah, our crouch attack attacks twice as fast as a normal attack.
Yeah, and then that's our other
Neat.
win screen.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And the whole thing's just two colors, right? Just black and white.
Yeah, just black and white.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You didn't talk about how you drew though.
I guess that's kind of like our whole game. I don't know if there's anything in specific.
So, and are you using DMA to produce the sound effects?
Yeah, so we have like the music on like interrupts. So
Okay.
the music is just a constant interrupt, and that's coming out of that speaker. And then on our other like DAC channel is the DMA sounds, and that's the sound effects
Cool.
coming out of this speaker.
And so the background music, are you using direct digital synthesis? So that's being synthesized?
No, it's like preset.
Gotcha.
frequencies.
Okay.
I didn't know it's
Really nice. And then from this screen, can you start a new game?
Yeah, it's just the same as the.
Okay, so two players agree, then you go
Yeah.
back.
Or you can also go back to the title screen if both press the
Escape.
Yeah, and then it goes back to the title screen.
Wow. Really nicely done. It's really well executed technically. The art's just fantastic. Really, really nice.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you all.
yeah,